guys, this is Margarita, your girl from Go Dominican Life. So I've asked you before, where do you want to be? On the beach. I have a beautiful one-bedroom unit for sale in a beautiful property on the beach of Cabarete. So come on in. So you can see it's breezy here. It's wonderful to be on the beach in Cabarete. This beautiful property has just been finished, comes fully furnished and equipped, and is a sight to see. So you know what to do. Check on the link here below for more information. Give us a like, subscribe, and share with all of your friends. Bye.